I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on a computer because Android can't run Apple Notes natively. Sign in to iCloud. Com and enable Notes sync so the latest versions upload. Once done, select the notes you need and export them. Choose PDF for full formatting or copy text into plain files for easier import. Make sure attachments are downloaded. This first step moves your data off Apple's native app and into transferable formats you can open on Android, which is why it's critical to finish before switching devices. Now bring those files into services that Android supports. Upload PDFs and attachments to Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox so you can open them directly on your phone. Next, import or paste the note text into Google Keep, OneNote, or Evernote. These apps index search and offer tagging. Once done, recreate any folder structure with tags or notebooks for organization. Make sure attachments are linked or embedded, because keeping context improves searchability and keeps your workflow consistent across devices. Finish by installing your chosen Android apps and signing in so everything syncs to your phone. Open several migrated notes to verify formatting, attachments, and searchability. Adjust PDFs or repaste text if line breaks look wrong. If a note is missing or out of date, go back to iCloud and re-export. Sometimes sync lag requires a manual refresh. One key troubleshooting tip: if attachments don't appear, confirm they downloaded on the desktop before export. Then re-upload to cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.